So hope they all evacuated safely. That spot right over there, probably really brown. You probably can't see it too good. The rest of the field's green. They plowed right there, so I'm thinking maybe source of water, ledge. You know, maybe they had something going on. We'll find out. Rained out, so I'm gonna continue on. They said just a little further. There's just so much stuff to look at, and I really want to be thorough. So almost there. Look at him. This guy is super cool. Well, he may just chill with me a while. I'm doing exactly what I said that I wasn't gonna do yesterday. Life decisions. Crazy wild, man. Crazy wild.